Today in this video we will discuss what is professional practices in the term of computer profession. Now we will discuss its contents, profession, fundamental characteristics of a profession, structure of computer profession, ethics, professional ethics, ethical issues of computer science, professional code of conduct, 10 commandments of computer ethics, applying codes of conduct, case studies. Now we will discuss the definition of profession. A paid occupation, especially one that involves prolonged training and a formal qualification, is called profession. Now we will further discuss the term of profession. A formal education is one where you will go a college or university for an actual degree. An informal education is simply learning a trade from someone else. It's possible to have a formal education and an informal education. The formal education is what most employers would prefer to see because it is easier to prove. Having a degree in a specific field will mean that you have certain knowledge that will translate into a better paying job and the company that's employing you getting a qualified person for the job. An informal education is what many people end up having. Your work under someone has who has a degree or has been doing it for enough years to be knowledgeable about the subject. Many car mechanics and other trade skills usually have an informal education as to what they are doing. Informal education can also be referred to as life experience. After going through life for so many years, you will naturally acquire some knowledge about different things that may not even learn after going through a formal education. Now we will discuss the fundamental characteristics of a profession. Great responsibility. One, professionals deal in matters of vital importance to their clients and are therefore entrusted with grave responsibilities and obligations. Given these essential obligations, professional work typically involves circumstances where carelessness, inadequate skill, or breach of ethics would be significantly damaging to the client and or his fortunes. Fundamental characteristics of a profession. Accountability. Professionals hold themselves accountable for the quality of their work with their client. The profession may or may not have mechanism in place to reforms and ensure adherence to this principle among its members. Fundamental characteristics of a professional based on specialized theoretical knowledge. Professional render specialized services based on theory, knowledge, and skills that are characteristics to their profession and generally beyond the understanding of a capability of those outside the profession. Sometimes the specialization will be extended to access to the tools and technologies used in the professional, for example, medical and equipment. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for more latest update. Bye bye. Have a nice day.